Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your October love and work forecast for Leos. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Leo, this reading is for you. If you know a Leo, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Magic Wens Tarot, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy your personal reading. Visit our website, friends, and you can buy your own 2022 readings, friends. They have already started, and if you want to watch a pick a card, the link is in the timestamps. The Hindi Urdu versions of these readings have already been done. They were done in the last month only, so you can check that out. I post them early, yes, every month. So the link is of the channel is in the timestamps, friends. And what else? So that's it for now, friends. Let's see, Leos, how your month of October will be, and let's see how are you all doing, friends. I hope you are doing great. Please stay patient. I know times are tough. Some of you are really frustrated with the way things are going. Please do not lose your patience, friends. That's the only thing I can tell you, because we will win through these times. We will win through these tough times. So do not worry, please. I know some of you are like, nothing is happening in my life. That's okay, friends. There are years when nothing happened in our lives. There are times like 1 month nothing will happen, 2 months nothing will happen, and then suddenly things start to happen. So stay patient. Those who stay patient, friends, they see, sometimes you have to wait to see the greatest and the most perfect sunrise. So that's this is the wait for that. It is nothing else. We are waiting to see the most amazing sunshine and the sunrise of our lifetime. So don't worry, and don't just wait, friends. Enjoy, live your life, have fun. Because if you are saying nothing is happening, I can tell you there are so many bad things which are also not happening for you. So I'm so happy for that. We should also see the other side of it, that if the good things are not happening, the bad things are also not happening. So woohoo, win-win. So that is how we that's how life balances itself, friends. So let's see, Leos, what is the theme of the month for Leos? The theme of October for Leos. Theme of October. Okay. Magician. Oh my god, big changes. Leos, again, like September, this is your month of transformation. Yes. Oh my god, it's such a big month that I even sang today, and it never happens. So, yes, it's a big month for you, Leos. Yes, get ready, get set, and get going. You are changing, your looks are changing, the way you are, the way you see life. There is a major spiritual awakening happening for you. You are manifesting something beautiful in your life. You are manifesting change, you are manifesting a love, a lover, a marriage. Some of you are manifesting a new job. Some of you are manifesting to move and relocate to another country. I do see some of you actually moving, shifting, relocating in the month of October, or you are planning for that in October and actually shifting sometime other, but the planning is happening in October. I do see, friends, this is a month of changes. This is a month of divine shifts, transformations. Some of you, let us just clarify what this transformation card is about. Ace of Cups, a new lover is coming, a new I do see this is a new meaning in your life that's gonna show up, friends. Some of you are like, there is no meaning in my life. What am I supposed to do? Where am I supposed to go? What is happening? You feel like, you are a kite flying without a string. But I feel you are going to find your sense of purpose, the sense of life, a sense of love and happiness in the month of October. So don't worry. Eight of Pentacles, you have been working hard, friends, and you are definitely going to achieve your success. Some of you are going to, some of you, your destiny is great. You will be famous in your lifetimes. You will be very, very rich in your lifetimes, and all of it starts from October. So get ready, friends. Big changes are coming, but these changes will bring you love. It will bring you money. It will bring you fame. It will bring your dreams come true. So big changes, but big rewards also. So yes, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. I also feel, friends, you might have to let go of certain things in October, like leave friendships or old thoughts, beliefs, patterns behind, fears behind, and just say yes to a new good life. It's tough. It's gonna be tough, friends. I'll be honest here, Leos. This new you is gonna be a little risky. Like, you don't want to leave the old you, the comfort. We all want to be in a comfortable position. Nobody likes change unless it's happening to somebody else. Oh my god, that was insane, isn't it, friends? Yes, it's like, no, new shoes. Okay, I'll tell you an example. I bought recently some new shoes because my old shoes were really, really torn, and because of the lockdowns and everything, I was not able to go out shopping much. So finally, I decided to go out and buy a pair of shoes. And once I bought them and started to walk in them, they started biting. So, new shoes bite because they are new. Your feet are not used to it. And especially if you have worn your old shoes since a very, very long time. So, your new shoes are like, woof, what's happening? Your feet are like, what's happening? So, I find it pretty uncomfortable for some time, but then it was okay after a while, and I could not notice any kind of pain or anything. So, that's how life is in October for you. You want a new you, but you don't want that discomfort also. So expect some changes, expect some discomfort also, because a big massive you is coming, friends. Let's see your love life. I do see some of you may have actually a career in stand-up comedy. I do life purpose readings, friends, so you can buy your own, because I do see that some of you are actually gonna laugh about things the way they happen in October. You are like, wow, things actually turned out good, so why were we so upset? So yeah, let's see your love life in October. Leo's 6 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, 8 of Wands, and the Knight, the King of Swords, the Page of Wands, the Empress. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune. My God, your cards are jumping out. The 3 of Cups. Oh, the 3 of Swords. Oh my God, and the 10 of Swords. Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands, and the Justice. Oh my God. So friends, let's see the first things first. Yes, your love life will be going great in the first week of October. Also, even if you are single, you will be feeling like very positive about your love life or your future. You will feel like ready to take some actions, even if you are single, like you want to go on dating, you want to meet people, or you're feeling good about yourself, which will attract communications from a past lover or from somebody new. Someone new is coming, or someone from the past is going to message you, and things will work out in the first week, because you are much in self-love, friends. Your person is seeing you like you are doing well in life. They miss you, and they see that you are not missing them, so they are like, wait, I'm coming along, and you must remember me. You should not forget me. So your person is going to message you, and they are going to be very nice, very sweet in the first week of October, because you are going places, Leos. You are looking great, you are shining, you are beautiful. Everybody wants to know you, everybody wants to have a selfie with you. Yes, I think some of you have a career in stand-up comedy, friends, because I am getting that very comical energy right now. Like I'm joking a lot today. That's not my usual energy. Well, that's exactly my energy, friends. If you meet me in person, I am always like, whoa, joking around. All right. So the second week of October. The second week of October, your person, I do feel, your person will try to impress you. They will try to win you. They will also try to tell you, like, like they want to show off. They want to show off that they are very smart, they are very beautiful, or they are very, they want to show off themselves. I also feel that there could be two lovers trying to impress you in the second week of October, or your person may also show you mixed feelings, like one day they are like very show offy, very bossy. The second day they are like, oh, you are so amazing, I can't live without you. So those mixed feelings kind of things will happen in the second week of October. But I still feel you are choosing yourself, Leos, and that's amazing. That's making your partner go crazy about you. Yes, the more you love yourself, the more your partner is like, woohoo, I want this person. And another thing is, friends, if you are planning for pregnancy, the second week is great for that pregnancy. mother, getting married, settling down, expanding your family, those things will also happen. So in the third week of October, divine timing, luck is coming forward for you, friends. Things are going to work very well in your love life. I do see trips happening, or some of you could be going on a trip, a vacation with your lover. I do see, if there were third parties, that will be resolved in your love life. I also see that, friends and family, maybe your friend, your lover will try to introduce you to their family. I will, if not, if nothing, if like no family thing is happening, then also there will be some fun moments to celebrate and enjoy with your lover. You will be, the past will be shedding off, the past problems, the past weight. I do feel some of you were, your relationships were affected by third party, so that will be resolved. This third party thing will be healing, and this, all the hurt and pain of the past will also be healing, because luck is with you. So a lot of healing will happen in the third week. In the fourth week, wow, some of you may actually decide to get married with this person, irrespective of family tradition, religion, culture, age, gender. You will get married to this person, or you may finally decide like this is the one and we are doing it. Also, some of you may actually decide, like your person could be married or you could be married, so you may decide to take some other decisions, to leave somebody and to be with this person. So yeah, it's a the final week of October is very important for you, friends, because there is a double start, a breakthrough is coming for you, and a lot of passionate start is coming for you in your love life. So someone may leave, some, if someone's divorce was going on or they were in the third party, they will leave that and be with you entirely. And this will be a very mature, very stable, very loving week for you, friends. Let's see some advice, Leos. Advice for Leos for their love life. Okay, obstacles and challenges, emotional loss, and stand your ground. Okay, so I feel yes, there are a few, your relationships are changing for the better and transforming. Some relationship blocks will be there, some fears will be there, but I do feel new, you can come out of this emotional doldrum. This, if you, there's a lot of energy of change and manifestation. You can manifest anything you want in your love life. So do not give up, keep fighting, keep asking for what you believe in your love life. What is it that you want? Marriage, yes, it will happen. Love, amazing love, commitment from your person, yes. Yes from your family, it can all happen if you believe in your dreams. 557 755, 5 is the number of change, it is the number of destiny. 7 is the number of miracles. So a miracle will happen for you if you believe in your dreams, friends. So that is the test. And let us see your work and career, Leos. Sacral chakra, yeah. Shadow, the moon, the waiting game, material harvest, and 3 of cups. So friends, I feel like some of you are waiting for, for your, some of you are waiting for something in your work and career, like you're waiting for a job, a promotion. Some of you are waiting for exam results, or you're waiting when will you get, some interview calls or get selected for some job. So you're waiting, friends, you're waiting for certain things to happen in your in your career, in your studies. You're waiting, friends. Also, in October, you will feel very emotional about your work, your studies. You are very emotionally connected with it. Also, you will have a lot of dreams and messages regarding your work, your studies. So, please listen to your intuition. You will have very important dreams. Like, you may keep on dreaming like you have to write a book, and I think that could be your life purpose. So for some of you, your life purpose is changing, or you are reuniting with it in a different way. Like you are supposedly, you work in a bank and every day is the same, but in October something will happen that will make you fall more in love with your banking job. So you will be like, wow, I feel more connected, I could never have imagined this would happen. So more emotional connection towards your job. Also your creativity will be very very high, so make full use of your creativity. Money will be coming in, you can expect some money to come your way, and some payments to come. Like if payments were not being paid, you can expect them now. If you had loans, they will be paid off, and I do see a celebration, yes, coming your way. It is like, you are definitely going to, a party is going to happen, a farewell, a fresher party, or some sort of a party. Especially if you are a student, a lot of celebrations are coming. It could be also somebody's birthday is coming at work. It will be celebrated very nicely. So you're having a good time at your work. Only thing is, don't get too emotionally attached with your work. Like, try to be practical also. Let's see some advice. Guardian angel, do the work. Yes, friends, you have a lot of angel protection around you because you are going through deep changes. So do not worry, because angels and the universe is with you. You are doing a lot of hard work, friends. You are changing yourself, and that's the toughest job ever. Everybody wants everyone else to change, but Leos, you are super powerful. You are changing yourself, and that is the ultimate mastery, to change oneself, to change thyself. All right, what a beautiful thing. Yeah, I think some of you maybe, I think a no could be a divine protection for you this month. If something is not happening for you, it is because God wants to protect you, or the universe wants to protect you, or at a better, it's like, God wants to give you something better. So do not worry. Let's see what else will happen. For Leos. Oh God, lots of cards have come. Let me just shuffle them a little. Okay, let's take them. Alright, cards are jumping everywhere. Almost dropped this card in my lap. Picked it up, almost dropped it again. So, broken ring, parting of the ways in either romance or business. Yeah, some of you could be leaving a marriage or a relationship, or some bad toxic things in life, like you are quitting smoking, drinking, and moving towards healthier lifestyle. Bridge successfully, you will successfully overcome your problems. August, someone, you could be born in August yourself, or something that happened in August you will be important. An exciting event, yes, excitement is in the air. Work, achievement, and success. You are very hardworking this month. Problems will be resolved. Yes, your problems will be solved. A dark hair woman, someone with dark hairs, or a woman with dark hairs is important. Flute, disappointment in a friend or a lover. Yeah, you may face some disappointments with a lover. Announcement, bell, wedding bells could also be there. Diamond, you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. So yes, friends, you are the diamond, a two-faced friend. Yeah, some of you are having third parties, friends. Please be careful. There are people around you who don't want your best interest. August and October are important. November is important. Haystack karma, you will reap what you have sown. So friends, that's exactly what I'm telling you, that if something is not happening, it is because you deserve something better. So keep that in mind. Boot, increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. So yeah, I do feel you're very emotional and creative at work, so a little efforts will go a long way. July is also important. And clouds, temporary problems. Your problems are temporary, Leos. So that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye 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 bye.